This illustration now covers the requirements for the protection of the conductors in accordance with 240.4. Now, we just previously looked at 240.3 and we were protecting the equipment. Now, this illustration deals with protection of the conductor. Now, notice everything is the same in this illustration. Known values and the terminals are 75 degrees C. But notice in the NEC loop now, 210.3 would deal with the equipment, but 210.4 deals with the protection of the conductors. So we'd be reviewing 210.19A1A and 210.20A along with 220.4. So in this application, let's review the step one. Since everything else in the illustration is the same, we would apply the rules of 210.19A1A, and it'd be 125% of 23.5, 29 amps. Now 110.14C1A says yes, 29 amps can be terminated to 60 degrees C or 75 degrees C as permitted by 110.14C1A and Table 310.16. So the application of step 3 is 310.14A3, informational note 1, item number 2, would definitely allow this calculation to be performed in step 1, not necessarily allow it, but require it. And then we would select our terminals from step 2 as shown, and by application in step 3 of 310.14A3, which would really be informational notes 1 through 4, those items that we previously looked at in Chapter 8, if you reviewed with us Chapter 8 and you're just not calling out this chapter for overcurrent protection. And the 29 amps from Table 310.16, either 60 or 75 degree column, would be a number 10 THWN copper conductor terminated to a 30 amp device, and we just saw figures 9-1 and 9-2 that dealt with protection of equipment as well as protection of conductors in accordance with 240.4.